Hi, today we're going to be exploring the throat, the third eye, and the crown chakras. Position yourself comfortably in a chair. Put your hands into a position that is meaningful for you. Take a deep breath and blow the breath out of your mouth in a sigh of relief. Let your shoulders and hips slump into the chair as you release the tensions you have within you. Okay, let's do it again. Take a deep breath and blow the air out of your mouth in a sigh of relief. Now close your eyes. Inhale a bit slower and deeper. Hold it in for a moment. Exhale slowly. Again, inhale slowly. Feel the air as it passes into your body. Hold it for a moment. Exhale slowly. God, thank you for life and all the things life has brought me. For all the people that I've come to know, all the things I have seen. Thank you for this day, that I might help fulfill your plan in the world. Inhale deeply one more time. Hold it for a moment. Exhale slowly. See yourself in an ancient forest, sunlight reflecting off the many shades of green foliage that surround you. Trees that have grown for hundreds of years are all around you. Notice your throat. Notice the blue light emanating from within you. Notice as it becomes more and more clear in your mind. It forms into a deep blue crystal that glows with a beautiful light that reaches out to all other things. This blue light coming from your throat is your ability to communicate. Allow this blue light to reach out to the largest tree in your vision. Hear yourself speaking to this tree and welcome it into your vision. Think about what the tree might say back to you. Now realize that the tree is part of you. You can speak to that part of you. You can hear it respond. The blue throat chakra allows you to communicate with all things. Look around you. What else is present in the forest that you'd be interested in talking to? Now, move your attention to your forehead. See the violet light extending from within your head. It moves out from you, all around you, illuminating all things in a deep, violet, glowing light. The third eye chakra enables you to see, hear, and sense things that you hadn't previously noticed. Look into the forest again. What do you feel has changed? Do you see anything now that you hadn't seen before? When you are ready, use the throat chakra to communicate with the new things that you see. Welcome the new things into your vision. Listen, feel, see them respond to you. Now, allow your attention to drift to the top of your head, to the crown chakra. See the brilliant white light that shines above your head. Notice how the white light isn't limited to the space above your head. It travels from above you, through your head, down your spine. It exits at the lower part of your body and extends below you. The crown chakra is your connection to all things. This brilliant white light represents your true self. It is the universal spirit that animates all existence. Allow yourself to feel the energy of this white light throughout your entire body. As you look back into the forest, notice how it has changed. Where there were trees, there are now bold beams of light. The forest has become a boundless space. No sky above you, no ground beneath you. Amazing beams of white light all around you. Allow yourself to explore this space. Realize inside of you that this is the space that always surrounds you. Reach out from within your vision and touch one of these beams of light in the forest. Notice how the contact fills you with energy and love. Now listen, feel, and see as this world now welcomes you as you previously had welcomed it. When you are ready, take a deep breath. Open your eyes and return to the present.